In this video, we are going to demonstrate how Floe can be used to transform FI correspondence in SAP. The example we're going to show is a payment run output. To trigger the correspondence, we are going to execute the output program directly. This is instead of running it through transaction F110. First, we run the standard transaction to generate the print output. And that uses SAP script technology. And now we're going to run it again, this time using Floe. This has been successful, so we expect the email to immediately arrive. And here it is, with all the information we require, along with branding, images and links. Transform all your SAP communication with Floe.